This is the Insta360 Go3, the world's smallest action camera. But it's more than an action camera. The tiny camera detaches from this action pod, and because it's magnetic, you can get it into places you'd never be able to get a regular camera, which means we can achieve shots that we'd never normally be able to get. Now as for settings, I'm going to shoot in linear, a flat colour profile, and I'm shooting at 50 frames a second so I can slow it down to get that nice dreamy half speed effect. Very cinematic. And because I can monitor my shot using the flip up screen on the action pod, that means I'll always know that I'm in shot. Now in terms of colour grading, I'm going to do the whole thing right on the Insta360 app on my phone. I'm going to open the clips in the Insta360 app, select a look that I like from these filters and apply it to all the clips to give it a nice unified look. Okay, so let's throw a bit of music over that and see if we can create a cinematic shopping experience. And that's it, what do you think? If you want to grab a Go3 for yourself, there's a link in the description where you can get one at the best price with super fast delivery. Thanks for watching, see you next time.